there, it's Alex from WTI. If you're looking for a more economical planer blade that doesn't skimp on quality, then I have just the blades for you. These thickness planer blades from Essig are the perfect match for our DeWalt thickness planer. They look identical to the name brand blades that we've been installed previously. And the blades were a breeze to install and fit the housing without any issues. We were up and running in no time. And just check out how smooth the wood comes out. I'm talking amazing results, am I right? My dad has been planing for decades now, and he was unable to detect any difference in the physical appearance and performance of these blades compared to the name brand ones that he's been using. They come packaged thoughtfully with lots of oil and a heavy plastic container with your protection in mind. I really appreciated that. They are made of a high-speed steel and are double-sided, just like the original blades. I know there might be some buyers who are skeptical of trying something new, but I can't stress to you how identical these blades are. And you get not one, but 2 sets of blades, which is incredible value. We have been thoroughly impressed with the performance of these planer blades, and that's our point of view.